Hi everyone, in the previous lesson, we actually planned a floor plan using PowerPoint template. So this lesson, we are going to focus on the design of the kitchen. Okay, first, we have already grouped the entire template. That means including the floor plans, the furniture, the fan, wardrobe, everything. Okay, we have grouped them together, and now we are going to save them as a picture. Okay, how we do it? By doing this, it will be easier for us to plan further. So this is very important. Save as picture. Okay, we save this floor plan as picture. Since we have no intention of changing the layout, we can fix this picture. Save the picture to any of the file that you think you can find them easily. So I put them at desktop. Name as floor plan DNA. Okay. So it can be in a JPEG format. We save them. Okay. Then we can go to the next page, which is page 3, a new page. You can go to the folder in the desktop, floor plan, DNA, and you can drag this out, place it back to the PowerPoint. It's exactly the same size, scale 1:100. So nothing is changed. Just that this picture is the entire fixed whole picture. Compared to this one is a group. So if we accidentally double click, we may accidentally shift things around here, which is not necessary. That's why we fix this picture. Easy for us to do a design presentation. Okay, the purpose of this is to let the designer knows better, or the contractors knows better about what kind of design you are looking for. So let's proceed. We are focusing on this kitchen, so we can actually do a crop and focus on this kitchen area. So one at a time, we planned from the kitchen to the living and bedroom, etc. So since this is the kitchen, okay, it may look a bit small. You can zoom in a little bit more. So we have top cabinet, top and bottom cabinet, oven. So these are the layout we are going to do. Then the next step, we are looking for some design ideas for the contractor or designer to understand better before we can go into 3D drafting. So if you want to send to a 3D drafter your idea, this is a sample that I'm showing you that's already made. So example, if you get a picture from a Google search, maybe from Google search you can give maybe in Pinterest, okay, Pinterest, which has many interesting design pictures. You can go to Pinterest, look for kitchen design. So if you want to be more specific, you can key in like a condo. So it's a smaller area of a kitchen, because if you type kitchen design for a bungalow, it's a bit exaggerated. The space and the design is totally different. So it's better that we have to be more realistic, that if you're looking for a condo design or even a HDB design, it doesn't matter, because they are almost the same kind of layout. There might be still a difference, but actually the space area is almost the same. So if you go for kitchen design condo or kitchen design HDB, they actually have almost the same kind of well-designed area. Okay, a well-designed kitchen. They also have a well-designed kitchen. doesn't mean that there's a condo, it looks better, or it's a HDB. It's a, maybe some people would think that it's a lower class, or maybe the material is not that good. Actually, none of such things is going on. They are almost the same kind of layout, but different kind of material usage, maybe to suit the existing flooring. So there are many reasons. Okay, so if you can search for HDB or condo, you go back to condo, kitchen design condo, and this is a picture that catches your first impression, that you think that this design is what you want. Okay, simply you can copy this image, go back to the PowerPoint. Okay, now I replace this one. I would like to have this, okay, this image, and I place it in just to fit it in nicely. Okay, so we can put this as a color theme. So you're using gray, you're using wood, and you're using the compact plus, or this kind of compact worktop with a design of an island, something like that. But this may not be workable because we may not have an island over here. Okay, it's a top and bottom cabinet. So this is the color theme. Then we can have gray, which is matches the color theme. We'll change this to maybe a wood. So we can go to in interest, or if you have some, you can Google search on wood, or we can call it light wood. Easy. We don't need to know exactly the name of the wood. We can just put a light wood, and maybe this kind of wood texture is what you like. Then we can copy, save, copy image, go back to the PowerPoint, and okay, and place it here. So it will not be exactly, but this is the kind of wood we are looking for. The designer will know what to choose, similar to this wood. So it's a combination of gray and wood, and maybe your existing floor is something like this. You can Google search again, and you're looking for, you can go to some specific website that is selling tiles, like a quite well-known Hafari website. Go for Hafari tiles. You can go to their website and take a look what they have. Be looking for tiles and material. Okay, to make it easy, maybe this is the kind of tiles you're looking for, something gray with a stone texture. Okay, you can use this one, copy image, go back to the PowerPoint and paste it here. So this is the tiles we are using, and we need to scale this down. Okay, we need to scale this down, and you can replace the tiles that you want it to be, like this. Okay, and this is the worktop I choose. I think it's quite matching, so I will leave this alone. And you can even tell us, designer, I want a glass backing for my top and bottom cabinet. Between, I want to have a glass backing. Glass backing is very useful because it helps to clean up your wall, kitchen wall better. But of course, anything there's a disadvantage. It may have some oil stain. You have to clean it every time when you finish cooking. So this is something good and bad about glass backing. But I think cleaning is not a big problem. If you have a hygiene habit, glass backing is actually a good solution for people who don't want to dirty their wall, because we have a tile line get those kind of white cement. For long run, it will stain, it will turn yellow or even black. So glass backing will actually stop things from happening like this. So it's a good idea to have a glass backing. And an oven, okay, you may want to have an oven, tall cabinet, and a fridge. So this was other simple things that we are going to show the designer or contractor or even the 3D drafter, so they can understand better what are you intend or what is your preferred kind of design directions. Okay, so this one is how we are going to plan our kitchen. So after this, I'll send this to my drafter and they will generate into 3D. I will show you in the next video that how it looks like.